So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a DIY body scrub. So this scrub is great if you're just trying to get a more glowing complexion, if you're trying to get smoother skin, if you're dealing with any stubborn dark marks from body acne or anything you might be going through. This scrub is great for it. So I've been using this scrub for about 3 years now, and I swear, like, anytime I might go a couple months without using it, my skin shows. Like, it looks more dull. It's just doesn't have as much life. First time you guys use this, I swear, like, when you're rinsing it off, you're just gonna feel like your skin feels so much smoother, and you're gonna be like, oh my god, like, she was not lying. Like, this scrub is legit. Like, it's so bomb. I swear, guys, I swear. So if you guys are interested in this, just keep watching. I will be showing you guys how to make it and apply it. I'm going to be showing you guys the ingredients I use, and then we'll hurry up and we'll mix it together. It's so quick and so simple, and you guys probably like already have this in your kitchen. So the first thing I use is some granulated sugar. I use the Simple Truth organic sugar. I just like to feel a little fancy, so I'll use organic. As you can see, this bag is like almost done. But that's the sugar. I like to use honey. I usually use organic honey too, but since there's just so little left, I'll be using some of my mom's honey, which is just a Kroger brand. And it will work just as good, you know. You just can be a little fancier, get some organic. And then this is optional. This is some cinnamon. I just use a little tiny bit. This is good for inflammation, and it also just makes it smell really good, so that's why I like to use the cinnamon. So there's also some lemon juice. I use about half of a lemon. Half of a lemon right here. This is good. This is like the most important part to like lighten dark marks and brighten the skin. The sugar is really good for the exfoliating properties. And then here is some coconut oil. I hope you guys can see this. It's a bowl of coconut oil. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have probably seen I've posted about this before, this new D.I.Y coconut oil. I love it. It's actually Nutiva, not Nujivo. But yes, I love this brand. And then I have a nice big bowl for you guys, and we're gonna mix it all up. Okay, guys, so we're back. So we're gonna start mixing everything together now. So I first start off by putting in my sugar. So I put in my sugar. Honestly, don't use any measurements for this, but if you guys want specific measurements, you guys can just email me. It'll be down in the description box. So we're just gonna eye it, and I'll show you guys like how it looks. So this is the sugar. Then I added my lemon juice. It's about half of a lemon. You could even put more. Like, sometimes I'm feeling fancy, I'll put a whole lemon. I'm like, nah, I need my skin rejuvenated. So then I'll put in my cinnamon. I just put a really little bit of cinnamon. You can even add more than that if the aroma's not like good enough for you. And then I'll add dripping a little bit, so take this paper towel. So you guys can see that, right? So just put about that much. You want it to be like a really like watery kind of consistency, so that it just glides right on your skin. So we're gonna add in the honey, and the honey is completely optional. I just like to use it for added skin benefits, and it just helps brighten the skin and really smooth it. It just like, it's emulsifier, so it will help emulsify the skin. I'm gonna put about that much. And if you ever find that you put too much, if you're eyeing it like me, you can just add more sugar. Okay, so we're gonna stir this up. Okay guys, so I'm done stirring it all up. It's just like this. You want it to be a little bit watery so it could like glide on the skin. It looks really sticky. And then we're gonna put it in this nice little jar. I got this from Walmart for about $3, and I've been having this for like maybe a year or so now. So we're just gonna put this in here, and then you could just like store your body scrub. You could store it in here for up to like, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks. I'm usually done with it in about 2 weeks, so I never usually use it more than 2 weeks, but yeah. And you could use this up to 3 times a week. Usually I'll use it 2 times a week, but sometimes like in the summer months I might use it 3 times, because like your skin's getting really sweaty and you know your pores are getting more easily clogged up. So okay, so it doesn't fill this up perfectly, which is what I knew was going to happen. If you want to make more to fill this up exactly, you can also email me and I'll show you guys how to fill this all the way. But that's it. So basically you take this and then you'll rub it on your skin, and I'll show you guys right now how we do that. Okay guys, so now I'm about to apply the scrub finally. So just take a little bit in your hand. You can use this on wet or damp skin. I usually do it in the shower, so I usually am wet. This is how it's a little messy right now, but I just keep adding some, and I'll be back. So then after I'm done, I just rub some coconut oil all on my skin, and this really gives you that just rub it on it. Is it all rubbed in?
Yes, you're glowing. You look beautiful.
Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Mother.
You're
Shout
welcome.
out to my mom. She's been the one recording behind the scenes. I will leave her channel in the description box. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I had so much fun actually doing this on camera for the first time. My first YouTube video, and I really hope you guys liked it. If you guys try this out, leave a like, subscribe to me, leave a comment, tell me what you guys think. I really hope you guys try this out. It is the